How to add admin in Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add the admin in this group, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, to add the admin on the group, simply tap onto that group just like this. After that, here you can find the name of the group just right here. Now select it. Now here you can find edit option at the top just right here. Now select it. And then here you can find administrators just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find add admin just right here. Now tap on it. Now simply choose the member who you want to make the admin just like this and tap on to done. And now you can see the admin has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add admin in Telegram group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.